Well, this is part 2 of the Arkay Radio restoration. I did some preliminary testing on the transformer and the speaker field coil and the voice coil, and that's all fine. I was taking a closer look at the cabinet here and discovered some warpage here. I don't know if you could see that. And the whole front panel is basically just falling off. The sides falling off. Get there. I'm not sure if I should just re-veneer the whole front or try to fill it with something. I'm trying to copy this design on top. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge. Maybe if you see this, Bob Anderson, you can maybe give me some pointers on how to do that. I don't know. It's gonna be hard to copy and try to get the old veneer off first. That's the cabinet portion. I'll come over to the chassis. Something weird about the chassis is it looks like somebody cut off the tuning rod here. Right in the middle. See, these two bits have the rods still on them for the knobs, but this was completely missing. Not sure if it came like that or somebody cut it off. So, a little bit of rust there and whatnot. The IF cans test okay with continuity. And transformer's good. And the underside of the chassis is pretty empty. But looks like there's been some previous repairs before me. So I'll have to get a schematic on it. And of course the power switch is flaky like any set of this vintage. Everything looks to be intact, except I think I'm missing the antenna. These wires are hanging out the back here, going to nothing, and there was no back. But here's the speaker. It's got a slight tear in it. Right here, but I'll have my wife fix that. She wants to try a trick on it she's seen. And this tests fine. And the speaker grill is in horrible condition. So I need to find a replacement if anybody knows that pattern. And point me in the right direction to get a reproduction or original. That'd be awesome. Well, that's it for now.